Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download GoFullPage, the full page screenshot tool. So, the link provided, go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and I'll go ahead and install. It's adding to Chrome, and there it is. So you can turn on sync, but that's not what we're here to do. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to use it. It's very simple. You can pin it so that it's right there, and all you do is simply click. Oh, I guess we can't take pictures there. So we'll try it here. Here it goes. And there's a screenshot.